Introducing Rubber Slide, the newest addition to the P-80 line of products from DuBois Chemicals. Rubber Slide is an effective temporary water-based lubricant compatible with metal, rubber, and most plastics. This product significantly reduces friction and therefore the installation force required to assemble parts and fittings. It can be used to install tires, O-rings, gaskets, grips, and many other rubber and plastic parts. See how the product is easily applied to a rubber tube, and upon drying, the lubrication is gone and no residue remains. This product is alcohol-free, so it will not dry out rubber or affect its performance. Observe a small amount of Rubber Slide being applied to a radiator hose, providing excellent lubrication and easy installation. Rubber Slide can be applied using automated or manual techniques to best fit your process. If you are interested in learning more, contact us at www.duboischemicals.com.